potato soup. You start by cutting one leek. You put your hand safely as far as you can from the knife and cut the end off. Okay, now you put your hand farther and you put your knife in the middle and you start cutting in half. We do this because it's easier to get all the soil out. Now that you have cut it in half, you cut it in where the green part starts. Just like an onion. We don't need the external parts, so you take them out and you throw them. And we start again. The same thing. We now rinse them. You can see lots of dirt. You don't want to eat that, so we start rinsing it. And put it in here. Now we cut it. There. Now you check the layers if there's any more dirt. Now let's peel the potatoes. After much struggle, it's time for cutting the potatoes. You want your chunks of potato to be the same size, so one doesn't cook longer or shorter than the other. Now you are done cutting everything. This is how it's supposed to look like. And now you put the vegetable bouillon. Now we're gonna add water. You'll need just enough water to cover all the vegetables in your pot. That's it. You put it on the stove and you put a top. We'll first put it to high. Since it's boiling, we reduce it to medium low and let it simmer for 20 minutes. We let it cool and we will mix it.